What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in to our March Market of the Moment. We'll be going over how the housing market performed this past month and making sure you're up to date with the real estate market and see how it's performing. I am Austin Assad, and I am here with the Sean Stewart, and we're with the Stewart team here at Keller Williams Greater Cleveland Northeast. We're hoping these market updates are providing value to you guys, whether you're doing research for an upcoming home purchase, preparing to sell your current home, or just curious how the real estate market's doing right now. We appreciate you guys tuning in. And yeah, be sure to comment, like, and share this video. It really helps with the algorithms and allows us to reach more people, helps grow our business, and in turn, we can help more people. So from here, I'm going to pass it off to Sean, who's going to jump right into the statistics.
Okay, thanks a lot, Austin. Appreciate that intro. The Sean Stewart taking over with the stats here. We continue to be in a very robust market, yet a very unusual market. We're looking at the real estate market right now. This graph shows you we utilize this graph every time we do a real estate market of the moment, and it goes back to all the way back to 18. We're about 16 months back, December of 2019, and what we're looking at the peak, the houses for sale, that light green line, we had 11,834 homes on the market compared to what we have now at 4,009. I mean, it's dramatic. We've never seen a market like this, and it continues. It's an extreme seller's market, yet it's a seller's market where the buyers are still benefiting because of what we still have in low interest rates. You can see that the total houses for sale is down quite a bit. And we're seeing that in all segments. Now, the graph you're looking at is all of Northern Ohio. You go from city to city, and you still see the same type of dramatic decrease year over year in regards to the homes for sale. Quite honestly, some price brackets have even a more difficult time for a buyer to buy a house because there's so few homes in certain price brackets in certain cities. And that's why we're finding our buyers benefiting from working with us hand in hand, because we see when that house comes on the market immediately, and we're there able to show them the house. So we're getting our buyers into homes really fast, which is absolutely necessary in today's market. We did see a little bit of an uptick from last month, January to February, in regards to new homes hitting the market, new listings. But what we're also seeing is the homes going under contract is surpassing that. We've got I've got here homes for sale in February 2021. We're down 15.5% compared to last month, and down 57% compared to last year. While we have homes listed in February is up almost 1% over last month, yet down for the month of February year over year at 22%. Where homes closed, we're down 4.7% compared to last month, and down 4% from last year. But this is what's really makes our sellers market really unique, is that I think it's a lot. The millennials have come of age and are out there taking advantage of buying and with really low interest rates, and so they're a big force in the market that we're seeing right now. And we have homes placed under contract up 11.4% compared to last month, and homes placed under contract up 8.8% compared to last year. So, it's if you follow the graph, you see it. That it's a ski slope slant down in regards to the inventory. Yet we have the moguls on the ski slope going up and down in regards to the pendings and new listings, where right now, since the beginning of this year, the pendings have far outpaced the new listings hitting the market. So we're taking homes off the market faster than we're putting them on. And because of that, it's supply and demand. We're seeing a continue where sellers realize that they are in the driver's seat, and we're seeing sellers more homes at higher price brackets hitting the market, and sellers actually maximizing the equity that they can get out of their home. Where we've seen that green line of for sale, the average price for sale right now at $290 is higher than it's been since December of 19. And we're seeing the solds actually it trends down overall in northern Ohio. Yet we're seeing some pockets where it's trending up. Yet I think the reason why we're seeing it trend down is because we're just coming out of the winter months. Because the homes that we see here that are sold actually probably went under contract about 60 days ago, and they're showing up as solds today. Average price per square foot. This has been a conversation that I've had with quite a few appraisers recently, because the seller will get fixated on what their home is worth and the size of the house, and they'll do a simple multiplication of the size of the house multiplied by the average price per square foot that has sold in their area, and think their home is valued at a higher price than the appraisers are willing to appraise it at, which becomes an issue. And it has become an issue that Austin and I, quite honestly, have become well versed in, because we need to write, and we are writing offers for our clients today that recognize that we do have appraisal issues. So that's because the market is moving faster. The sellers are selling their homes for more money, and because of limited inventory, and buyers who want to buy are buying at a little bit of a higher price than what is out there as comparables for the appraisers. So, but the average dollar per square foot, I think we're going to see that ticking back up, just like we did in late August and September and October of 20. And that puts the pressure on list price to sale price ratios. I honestly am surprised that we even see that 99 to 98%, because so many homes are selling for more than list price today. Yet you can expect that a house is going to sell for a minimum of 98 or 99% of its list price. The continuous days on market. I think, it's both seasonality, and it's sellers testing the market right now. They're putting the homes up at a little bit of a higher price than the market will bear. And they're seeing where buyers aren't willing to come in and pay that higher price. So we're seeing a little bit of a delay in regards to, homes closing like they have been in regards to days on market. And this is one of the craziest graphs of them all. The months of inventory based on closed sales, we see trending down again. We're at 1.3 months. So 30 days in a month, 0.3, what would that be? Another 10 days. So, so 40 days of inventory. So if the current, at the rate the homes are going under contract right now, if not one more home was added to the market, the inventory would be depleted in 40 days. And that's low, especially because this is based on closed sales. If you based it on closed sales and homes under contract that are about to close, we would be at probably 0.5. So back to you, Austin.
Yeah, I'll take it over for the the mortgage interest rates. So looking at the graph right here, so today for the 30-year fixed rate mortgage, we're at just over 3% at 3.05. And a month ago, this number was at 2.73%. So it's a slight increase. I believe this increase is just, COVID, there's more positive outlook and the market's starting to improve. So we're going to see interest rates start to follow those lines. But a slight increase in the interest rates, as you can take a look, the difference per month is $33. And over the course of a year, close to $400. So just even a slight difference in interest rates, really adds up. And over the course of the loan, that's a difference of $12,000 larger expense. So, the interest rates 5 years ago, they're close to the 5% range. A little bit before that, we even seen towards the 10% range. So we really hit kind of rock bottom in terms of low interest rates December, January, and we're starting to see it start to increase, and probably expect mid threes by the end of this year, my opinion. But so slight trend upward, and I know Biden, part of his plan, he wants to keep interest rates low around the 3.5 range for the next couple of years. So that's kind of where the interest rates stand right now.
Austin, I want to add to that. I have conversations with a lot of buyers and sellers that are waiting for the market to change. I'm going to wait for more homes to come on the market, or I'm going to wait for interest rates to dip back down. There's no such thing as timing the market. The market is the market, and it always will be. And when you enter the market, that's the best time. And the circumstances that we are facing today with low inventory, it's counterbalanced by that low interest rate. So, jumping in now is most likely the best time before we have more competition coming up in late spring and summer.
Yeah. So interest rates are going to come up a little bit, and then there's no sign that home prices are going to drop anytime soon. They're going to continue their upward trend as well. So those combining factors, like you said, this is a perfect time to get in the market, especially if you're a buyer. So I just want to kind of recap and put a summary to our market of the moment here. The month of February, inventory was kind of at its seasonal low, which is as expected. And, we'll more than likely see more homes start to come on the market as we enter the warmer months here in the spring and summer. And the list price for homes that are up for sale, that will start to trend upwards as well. No sign of it staying the same or going down. And that was a list price. And then we kind of mentioned that the sold price for the homes was on its way down, but because the list price is higher, the sold price will follow that. And like we said, perfect time if you're a buyer, low interest rates, get in before the home prices start to increase, and it's a perfect market to get in while you can. So I just wanted to recap and let you guys know that April 1st, it's not an April Fool's joke, but April 1st at 6 p.m., we'll be having a buyer seminar. We're calling it the Buyer's Spring Market Madness. So be on the lookout for a link to our registration, and a good opportunity to come in if you're especially a first-time home buyer. We'll go through the first-time home buying, the home buying process, and it's going to be live. So be interactive, a great chance for you to answer any or ask any questions, and we're more than happy to answer them. But yeah, I'd want to be on the lookout for that and be sure to register. So yeah, thanks for joining us today. I'm Austin. I'm here with Sean. And this is our March Market of the Moment. Talk to you guys soon.
All right. Take care, everyone. Bye.
Bye.